Hello everyone, welcome back to Blossom Elite. My name is Ishita and in today's video I have again got something new for you. So in today's video we are making two things in one video. Yeah. So we'll be doing calligraphy as well as we'll be doing watercolor art, and basically I am making watercolor background. So I really hope you guys like it, and if you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you guys want to buy my resin art that I have posted on the channel, you can check it out. And if you want to get any customized resin work done, you can contact me on my Instagram channel that I'll link down in the description box below. Its name is Heartfelt Art, and I really hope you guys do order. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video.
So for the material, we will require brush pens. I am using Ad Gel's Little Artist twin tip brush pens. You can use any other brush pen if you want. Next we will need a sketchbook. I am using Aero A5 sized sketchbook, or you can totally use a paper, whatever is available with you. And then we'll need watercolor. The watercolors I am using is of Camel Artist's watercolor cakes, which is of 18 shades. And then I am using a paintbrush. The paintbrush I am using is of Novelty Company. You can use whatever paintbrush that is available with you. And lastly we will need a washi tape. It's not necessary to use a washi tape. If you don't have a washi tape, you can skip this step. I'll of course link down the material in the description box below if you guys want to buy it. Okay, so let's start. First I am outlining the sheet of my paper using a washi tape to get the fine edges. If you don't have a washi tape, it's totally fine, you can leave it as it is. And if you're using a tape, make sure that you press it nice so that the paint doesn't go through it, as we are using watercolors and water does flow. So after I was done placing the tape, I took a glass of water and I started spreading the water onto my sheet with the help of a paintbrush. Make sure you don't use too much water as it could spoil the sheet. So before I start painting, I have this little hack. So I take my paintbrush and put little droplets of water onto every paint that I am using, and I don't have to wait for the color to soak. So yeah, this is like a great hack. I have been using it from like now 5-6 years now, and this hack always helps me. So for the colors, I'll be using blue, purple, pink, crimson and little bit of white to make pink color. Again, I would again say that it is totally your choice whatever color you use. As I always say, there is no restriction in art. You can do whatever you want, however you want it. So after I was done painting, I left the booklet to dry. As these are watercolors, it takes really less time for them to dry. So when the color was dry, I took off the tape from the edges of my sheet. You can see the tape has given very nice and sharp edges to the painting. Then I finally took my brush pen. Brush pen that I am using is black color, and as you can see, this is a twin tip brush pen. So one side of the brush pen is broad and the other side of the brush pen is fine line. These brush pens were gifted to me from my aunt, and I am in love with these brush pens as they have two features, and these are very good features. Now we'll start the writing. You can totally follow the lead that I am doing. So the quote that I am going for is, go confidently in the direction of your dreams. While using a brush pen, always make sure that you are using a light hand, because that helps in making these curves easily. So as you can see, I am writing the quote with very light hand. When I was done writing the quote, I am making arrows. So I have one more hack for you guys. For this hack, as you can see, I am using an old eyeliner to make the straight lines and strokes. It really works well. So if you guys have any old eyeliner, you can totally use it in your art projects. So after I was done, this was the final result. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you guys liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video.